Since I do this every morning, it seems I am 18 years old. In this video, we will give you the recipe so that you can look as if you were 18 years old, without the need for painful beauty treatments. You just need to mix a few ingredients to prepare a wonderful solution that will make you look younger. Aside from being painful, surgeries are very costly. Not all people have the money or the courage to put themselves under the scalpel to look younger, which is why there are other, much simpler, cheaper and less fearful methods. One of them is the one that we will give you to know in this video. Look what it is. Women are the main ones who want to look much younger whenever they can. They have a certain fear of getting old, so they always look for a solution to have fewer wrinkles, fewer gray hairs and less years. The ingredients in this recipe will not make the time come back, but they will improve your appearance considerably, making the aging less visible. Ingredients: 1. 6 spoonfuls of applesauce. 2. 100 milliliters of lemon juice. 3. 100 milliliters of pear juice. Elaboration: 1. Add applesauce to fruit juices. 2. Place in a pot on the fire until thick. 3. Let it cool and then add some rosemary and thyme. 4. Now mix well until a homogeneous solution is obtained. 5. You should thoroughly clean your face before applying this mask. 6. Apply specifically in the areas that you consider necessary and let it act for about half an hour. 7. After the elapsed time, remove the mask with plenty of warm water. 8. You can keep it in the fridge and use it again as many times as you want. It is advisable to use it 4 to 6 times a week. I ask